ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
नमः नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी इति नाम्ने नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देश तारिणे यश साक्षात हरिते समस्त शास्त्रे उक्तस्य तथा भवते प्रसाद्भिः किन्तु प्रभुजा यैव तस्य वन्दे गुरुश्री चरणारविन्द यस्य प्रसादात् भगवत्प्रसादो यस्य अप्रसादात् नभवति कुतोऽपि ध्यायां स्तुवं यस्य श्रीशान्तां वन्दे गुरुश्री चरणारविन्द वंशकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यः एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। So here telling about top of the Varnashram ashram, the sannyasis duty. Yes?
Yes.
Krishna said, Chatur Varnam Maya system. Puna karma. Then?
तस्य कर्तारम अपिमां विद्धि अकर्तारम अव्ययम्.
What is the translation? You will tell. Wow.
These four dharmas, this varnashram dharma is created by me according to guna and quality. Then something I'm not the doer. Something like that. I am the doer, but I'm not the doer. Something like that.
So, different person, different parts of the world, somebody in the mode of ignorance, tamagun, somebody in the mode of passion, symptomized by unlimited material desire and greed. Today he has got a cycle some or other, next day he is thinking, he has got a motorcycle, better. Some or other make money, get motorcycle. Now after some time you see somebody is going three-wheeler. After three-wheeler, oh, this is gentleman. Look, nice color. Little 4-5% going. What? What is this, sir? This is nano. What is this? How much? Must make money. After some time you say, bigger car. The most of the condition is like that. One day, again, everybody, all of us are like that. One Mickey Mouse came to a sadhu. Dandavat sadhu with dhuni, he had got masala, all these things, ghanta, and incense, all these things. He's meditating on God. Mickey Mouse said, Dandavat sir. Yes, who are you? I am Mickey Mouse. What do you want? Why you come here? I have a request to you. What is that? I am Mickey Mouse, there's some guy bigger than me. He is always giving me trouble. I can't do anything. Who is that? There's a cat. And I cannot go to and take my food. He's coming. Cat has to kill me. I can't race with him. His bigger body. We can't. So what do you want? Can you please make me a cat? Why? Then I know I have trouble. No problem. Nobody chasing me. So he took some Achman. See Vishnu. Take some water. Become a cat. You just did down, you see. Meow, 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 meow. Very happy. And flapping his tail. Some days go. Again he's going, meow, meow. He is sadhu meditating on Manvana Bhava Madhvattu. What is sadhu should be thinking? Who can tell? Here you want to become sadhu, bhakta. What will be always thinking?
Krishna.
How? Can you tell little? Who can tell little? How will think of Krishna? Tell me. Hey. How will think of Krishna? Answer. Raise hand. Then you have to select someone. 3 ladies, no man. Shame. Bolo. If you are sure.
Always one should think on the Shamsundar form of Krishna, of his lotus feet, Krishna's curly hairs, his peacock feather, his Trivangi, he is holding a flute.
Everybody is hearing how to think of God?
He is wearing Kaustubha jewelry and wearing also Vajanti Mala. He is wearing yellow garments and he is having Srivasta on his chest. His his color is like a new fresh cloud, his body color. And
What type of knowledge Krishna gave this thing? Who can tell? What type of knowledge Krishna gave?
Most confidential, not confidential. Most confidential.
Gopal, he's right. Everybody applaud. Not confidential, most confidential. Always meditate, just like somebody loves somebody. Whatever he sees, he thinks, so how to give him? Oh, this is Kadamba flower. And what you will remember? Kadamba flower, what will you remember?
Krishna's earrings.
Krishna's garland made of Kadamba.
No, that's Kunda.
Now, lotus, what will you remind? Manu, Bhakta? Krishna's eyes, Krishna's navel, Krishna's garland, Krishna's feet.
Krishna's face.
And if you see some laddu, what will you think? Where is Abhishek? Suppose you see a laddu, what do you think?
I'm hungry.
Suppose you see a laddu, what do you think?
I'm hungry.
Bhogilal Patel. Madhu Mangal. It's good. Any other? Laddu Gopal, he said. You think of Krishna? Laddu Gopal, Krishna liked laddu. And Krishna is the pastime with Madhu Mangal. Radharani making. Krishna, Radharani got some blessing from Durvasa Muni or somebody. Whatever Radharani cook, nobody can supersede that, excel that. It will be so tasty, anybody eat, he will live long. So every mother wants my son live very long. Huh? Every mother is natural, of course daughter also. So, Mother Jashoda, what he did? To get Radharani regularly come in her house. What ladies like? Nice sari, nice jewelry, gives present to Radharani. And then after you give somebody, you win his heart. You like to cook for my son? Okay, okay. Can I say he's obliged? Yeah? She comes. Now, she knows what Krishna likes. What Krishna like, anybody can tell? Makhan. Any? Curd rice. Anybody? This is also thinking of Krishna. So what devotee will say? I'll cook this and give to Krishna. I will say, kadamba flower, give to Krishna. Make a garland for Krishna. I will see lotus, make a garland for Krishna, give it to him. So Radharani is cooking varieties of things. And Mother Jashoda said, too many they are going to Krishna is eating. Give others, his boys come, go to play, tend the cows, and they are urging Mother Jashoda. Mother Jashoda, quick, quick, you have to go to play. So Mother Jashoda alone cannot do. Call Balaram's mother. Who is Balaram's mother? Who can tell the name? Rohini. Rohini, you serve. You please serve. And Rohini knows who likes what. Usually mother likes. Mother knows what husband likes, what my son likes, and those things. So she told Krishna, told Radharani, cook this. She cooking nicely, laddu this. And Mother Rohini giving all these things, plates and serving, giving laddu, this, that, and so many other things. He knows who likes what. Also with Krishna they enjoying. So this, hearing this, we can, if we feel somebody feeling greedy, devotee also feel greedy. Now, if you feel, I also like to eat laddu, picnic with it, then there is a sloka. Ittang sadang brahma sukhan buddha dasangatana paradaivatena maya sritana. One is taking shelter of Maya. He doesn't think. Paradaivatena. One who thinks Krishna is the Supreme. After many lives doing pious activity and devotional service, you get the chance to become a Krishna's associate. Cowherd boy, Madhumangal, Siddham, Sudam, Vasudam, Subal. Different types of Krishna has got friends. Krishna has different type of bamboo, a jewel, flute, so many things. Now, if you want, anybody want, instead of staying in this material with a friend, near and dear ones want to enjoy or want to enjoy their spiritual life. Who wants to go there? Kalavati. Who wants to go there? Others and nothing. Maybe don't believe. This is story, fictitious, utopia.
Only 10.
They don't want to go. So you have to qualify, pay the price. Are you ready to pay the price, Kalavati? Sylvia, I don't know whether Sylvia is. Or Dominic, or want to be here. And Haribol. Bangladesh. You don't want, huh? You want Bangladesh. Abar asigo phire. I'm sure. Dhan sire nodi tire. Where I live. And I like this river. I like my country, Bangladesh. I like Ganga, Padma river. No, I don't go, I don't believe it. Maybe true. I saw most of them didn't raise hand. Some also think, just tell now. At least they are honest. They don't want to say so. You know, they have not developed this greed. Some just see what everybody is doing. Some also actually sincere. He doesn't know. Otherwise, he will be identified. He's not advanced. Yeah. Yes or no? क्या आनंद वर्धन जी उठा नहीं at least he is honest. This is good. He may not believe all these things. Yeah, at least honest. At least, you know, it's clean at heart. Abhishek, हाथ उठाया बेटा. Pitarji bola, kahan ja raha sadhu bana beta? Huh? The one boy become ISKCON sadhu. Then one day he doesn't see mother for a long time. His father has got a dhaba, and a Punjabi restaurant on the roadside. He is a Sardarji. He stays in Bengal many parts. Sometime married, he married one Bengali lady. So his mother is Bengali, father is Sardarji. Wow, Guruji ki fateh. Sat Sri Akal. My Guru ki khalsa. So one day he is telling one of his godbrother, I one day went to see, mother wants to see me. Some or other father from the dhaba come and see that his son is their only one son. The father's duty is to always chastise. Teacher's duty always chastise the student and son for his good. It is a blessing to correct him. He says he's with his mother talking. But a sadhu bana. The rascal he becomes. Sadhu leave home. Pani bhar beta. Kaam karta nahi sadhu Hare Krishna Hare Krishna. He is clever. He doesn't answer. It's intelligent person. Don't answer what father and mother say. You tolerate, then they won't get angry. You don't answer. There is a Bengali saying, আমি কানে দিয়েছি তুলো, পিঠে বেঁধেছি কুলো. I put Kotnul, yeah, how much he may say so many things. He don't hear. Or जो Gunga, Bahera, who acts like he cannot hear, Kala, Kane Kala, Mukhe Boba, he cannot talk. So he has no enemy. He is not telling Gali, he is not calling bad names, neither hearing bad things. How much you tell, go on. How long you tell? So what you are telling?
पंजाबी ढाबा पंजाबी आदमी जो उसका साधु
तो बाप पूछ के नहीं बोला. थोड़ा बाद वो मंदिर में ठीक आ गया. हमारा हरे कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण. एक लड़का नहीं. One boy, he said, बड़ा साधु, बड़ा गरीब काम कर. But he is not getting angry. He is clever. He doesn't say to his father anything. Father, what can you do? If you say something again, in answer, father understands he is submissive. He is gentle. He cannot shout to you. Huh? This is clever. So one has to be clever. One is Krishna conscious, he is clever. There is a Bengali saying, Krishna je bhaje se bado chotu. What is another story saying?
राधारानी लड्डू
Radhani?
राधारानी दुर्वासा
Ah, cooking. Everybody want to listen story. Sometimes better to tell story.
No one finished. Not going back to body.
So, Radhani cook varieties of things and serving. And they see that through the door there is some little slit. They are watching how they are eating, enjoying or not. Now Krishna knows. Krishna is God. He may be a little boy. He knows what is going on everywhere. He knows one who cooks. Just like a mother or wife cooks and asks husband or son, how do you like this? This. You can know what you like and cook that thing again better. So, Radharani is watching what he is enjoying. But Krishna also knows. They are watching there. Krishna is a naughty boy. He wants to make somebody angry. Radharani is thinking, what? I cook so nicely. He doesn't like. And that Brahmin son, they say, one who is a Brahmin, he get from his judgment disciple, nice food. You come to my doing fine. And bag full of sweets, this, that, so many people bring in. Others think, oh, he is eating very nice food. I will become also sannyasi, I will become good. Nice food. So anyway, this is called pastime, sweet pastime. That's the material world there. So Krishna said, then Madhubangal said, look Krishna, Your pet kharab hoga. Bad stomach, you eat this thing. Don't eat. And he takes it. Others, oi, you are eating this, I also. Krishna make Radharani angry. So he gets angry. I did so nice, he is not eating. Just having fun. Others said, Madhumangal, you greedy, you are eating all the. Oh, yeah. But let it eat Krishna. Krishna does the same thing. Krishna is having fun with his friend. If Krishna remain always king, that is Dwarka, that is Mathura. He remained like a king. Nobody can play with him. Everybody is. Haji! And king is happy. The same Krishna. But he is king there, he is acting different. But with his friend, he wants to be also play with friend, joke with friend, being defeated, and he enjoys. Defeated? So one says, Siddham, and he is Radharani's brother. He is also Krishna's friend. Krishna, you are defeated. Now we are contract. Our two party is being guarded. Let him come. After so, he can remain Krishna's garden. So, Krishna likes, spend some time with your grandson, granddaughter. What is it? Is what? I am busy now, I have to go. No, wait. What? Then your grandson is there, he will enjoy. What? He want to ride on horse. What you do that? And wife is saying, what can he do? He may be the prime minister, but to his wife he is not prime minister. Yes?
Yes.
Yes or not?
Yes.
He is to some extent under control by the wife. Wife knows husband's weakness, liking, disliking, everything. So they have mutual understanding. Come on. That become a horse. Hey, come. Ride on your grandfather. Horse. Of course, grandfather enjoys sometimes. The outsider is not there. So he became a horse. Hut. And grandmother, his wife is saying, tell your grandfather, hut. In the room. And he won't do it in the outside. Will he do? But he is prime minister. Krishna is God, no doubt. But there is somebody who is very near and dear to him. If you want to become a near and dear, want to go Krishna Loka, then you have to do a lot of piety. Then Krishna will treat you like this. He doesn't mind. Krishna will carry me, he will carry me. But we are at present, we have to follow rule regulation. Krishna has gone. Go to temple. Yeah. He said, no, I am also Siddham, take Krishna's laddu. No. This is Vidhi Bhakti. False follow rule regulation. This is Brajavasis. Brajavasis see Krishna like a little boy, little girl, Radharani. There's a father, mother. Everybody give first sweet sentiment to the kids. Boys, girls. Maybe I go to Vrindavan, you see, I am going to Radhakund. Did you see? I am always giving to the kids. Their father, mother likes it very much. Yes? This is the way. You cannot go to a very big personality direct. But those who are very dear to them, you give to him and he will ask, who gave you this sweet? Said, oh, come here, sir. What is your name? Yeah? Who said, this is the way. So don't give direct to Krishna. Krishna may not take. How dare you? In a private. If you give who is near and dear, it's soft. Maybe his kid playing, grandson. Hey, where you get? Grandfather, this man gave me. Call it. Where you sir? Where you come from? Very easy. Sir, can I give it to you? Okay. So Prabhupada say, to approach Krishna also like that. We have to, first of all, you cannot get to Krishna. You want to give you got a nice lotus garland. you have to give to Krishna. Give it to Krishna's dear and near devotee. Give it to Radharani's hand. Then Radharani holding hand, you give to Krishna. Krishna will say, oh, very nice girl. Eh? I said, it is not done by me. I am not a devotee. But Krishna accepts Radharani as the greatest devotee. Who is the greatest? Here is this little boy. He brought this garland for you. He is a good devotee for than Krishna. Krishna appreciates. This is the way to go to Krishna Pujas. So our duty is to those who are previous acharya coming down. Anybody, anything you want to do for Krishna, do what he says, then he will recognize. Apply promotion, you take this danda. But remember, you qualify yourself, otherwise one day you are in melancholy. Is that clear? So Mickey Mouse one day become meow, meow, meow. He said, he saw, go, go. More powerful. So dog is coming. Meow, 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 meow. He said, you're inside. And dog, out, out. Get out, I'm getting on you. Scared. So what he can? Somehow the dog is not there. He go to the again to the sadhu. Meow, meow. Sadhu is meditating. Meditating on what? Krishna. He meditated on Krishna. Krishna fulfilled desire. Krishna said, Anannas chintanto mam. He all the time thinking of me. Just not thinking without any bhav, without any mood. With love and affection. Tesham satajittanam bhajatam priti purvakam. This is bhakti. Priti purvakam, love and devotion. Sometimes people say, I eat so many places, I don't find so tasty. But when my mother cooks, I find it tasty. But she keeps the same way. Why it becomes tasty? The mother is cooking, here love is there. My son will eat. So cooked in such a way, a love that she can feel it. The husband also sometimes cook. I eat many places, not like my wife. It's true actually, many. It's love. So Krishna also can understand. I am chanting, finish Ram Maharaj. Somebody did nicely chanting. Early in the morning. Hare Hare. He is not thinking of Krishna. He is making sound, thinking something. The Krishna, the one who thinks of me, I think of him. Think with love, he also loves him. Krishna said, Buddhi Yogam Dadami, I give him intelligence. I give him intelligence. How I'll make this temple here? Krishna will give him intelligence. Love and devotion. Why one is doing, one is not doing? Krishna giving intelligence. He is thinking of tree. Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare. Krishna is saying what he is thinking. And he will go there. He will come to Vrindavan again, see trees. And see also Krishna. He still know where his attachment is. Hey, what are you doing here? Let us go to Laivasa. Samosa, kuchuri, rabdi. Let's go. Got money? Krishna recording. This guy come to Vrindavan for this. Okay, he again next night come back here. Again, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Bhandara de raha. Kya bhandara? Gulab Jam, Rasgulla, Son Papdi, Samosa, hot samosa, chaat, gobi pakoda, kambal, jalebi. And here, only rice and dalma. Krishna's been watching. Krishna will be you have to go Bhogilal. Bhogilal Patel. All right. All right. Ice cream. Hot. Kulfi. Pistachio. Let's go. सेठ जी आया, सेठ जी, the rich man from Bombay, Calcutta coming and distributing kambal, big bhandara, sadhu bhojan, only sadhu can come. You have no beard. इसका no बाबा, साधु बना, अच्छा ड्रेस, घड़ी है, साधु है, भागो चलो। ठीक है, ये सब खुल ले, only no watch, धूला लगा दे, एक कॉपी, सिप keep some दाढ़ी like Gopal। साधु है, ये देखा, गोरा सा, क्या कहाँ से आया तू? हिंदी थोड़ा सीख गया। हम बाबा जी राधा कुंड जवाब देखा, ठीक है चल चल। Krishna is watching. Jivhar lalo se ityuthita. For the palate, for the pleasure, you want this, huh? I will give you this. And another chanting Hare Krishna. पीछे खा ले, सब खा ले, पेट भर के खा ले, इतना तक, गला तक। Have to hear, eat. You happy? Now go. I have to chant Hare Krishna. Krishna is saying, rascal. Jiva lalo se. Next time get a body and you can enjoy all. Come back here. Big shika, plated nicely. Like ladies make plate here. Nice flower. He also put flower. And singing. He is nice pandit. He take gulab jam, cheese, all that. Nice body. Gosai. In India, sadhu sometimes, he said, I don't eat rice. I am Ram Baba. Only milk and cheese, butter. बहुत एक्सपेंसिव स्टाफ खाता, बहुत महंगा है। साधु बन के अच्छा अच्छा खाता, देख पैसा है, करोड़ करोड़ रुपये छुपा के रखा, पकड़ साले के चल जेल में, साधु बना बेटा। इसको साधु जब डाल दो, bring lakhs of rupees, give it to treasury. Nice mandir, Bombay, Vrindavan, Mayapur नहीं, आज कहता मायापुरी, माया का पूरी, देखो राधा माधव, एक आदमी आया, sir, many foreigner here, most of us here, where you come from? Calcutta. So you want to see the deity? Go, that's open. No, I want to see Memsa, white elephant. He cannot be elephant, white horse. 1, 2, 3, there, there. Yeah, he's Spain, he's Sweden, he's Poland, Italy. Senorita, Monsieur, Madame. क्या नाम? अच्छा, अरे ये खाना खाता है, तिलक लगाया है, बहुत अच्छा। कहाँ? Very. You don't want to see Radha Madhav? No. You don't want to see Radha Madhav? No. मैं तो बहुत देख लिया। हम तो इंडियन हैं, इंडियन हर जगह में, घर में, हर साल में देखता है बजरंग जी, राधा कृष्ण, सीताराम, जगन्नाथ क्या हम उसको देखने आया? कहाँ से आया? स्पेन। वो थोड़ा हिंदी बोलते, अरे हिंदी भी सीख लिया, बांग्ला भी सीख लिया, बांग्लादेश। আমার বাংলাদেশ ভালো লাগে, হ্যাঁ মেম সাহেব বাংলা दाढ़ी वाला, सलाम अलैकुम, अरे हिंदू बन गया। আমার এই বাগুড়ার দই, মিষ্টি দই, কুমিল্লা রসমালাই আমার ভালো লাগে। আরে রসমালাই দই, আচ্ছা তোর কাল নেক্সট ডে হি ব্রট এই লোক রসমালাই, মিষ্টি দই, কাজাগোল্লা, গুলাব জাম,
চমচম
চমচম, পোড়াবাড়ি, টাঙ্গাইল চমচম। Acha, you like? So he is happy, they are also happy. This is Krishna consciousness, this is ISKCON. So let us, why don't go to other mode? Let us go to ISKCON. Everybody is coming to ISKCON, yes?
Yes.
Now suppose there is no gulab jam, no son papdi, this and that. How do you think? What is it? Some change? What change? Oh, chiya bhag! Oh, run away. So this way, you can catch everybody chanting Hare Krishna. There's a class, Gita class. After that, nice halwa, pakora, chaat, samosa. Next Sunday's friend asking, hey, where is your Bhagavad Gita class? Sunday? I also will go. You like? Yeah, I like. Then later he says, actually, to tell the truth, I like your prasad. Why she is that way? But class, but Indian take the ticket of prasadam time. You attended class, ticket, disappear. Again, plus 1 o'clock. This is Indian. Oh, ISKCON. Huh? You are telling all this, you are not giving. Wait for Sunday. I will take you. They say, you are telling so many nice things. Water is coming out. Please don't tell anymore. You are not giving. I will give you. Come on the Sunday. I will take you. Chal. ये भी भक्त है, हाँ सर, ठीक है, बैठा दो। जाम, अमृति, रसमलाई, सोनपापड़ी, I will come every day. Huh? I am also Hare Krishna now. He come. So, Sadhu asked, what you want? Mew. You don't look happy. Please make me a dog. Why? Dog is disturbing now. Oh, there I go. So what do you want? Can you make me a dog? Become a dog. Tathastu. Oh, wow. So also you have to please Krishna. Krishna's, then you can get promotion. Then one day again, go. Hey, what happened? What is that? You look unhappy. then he said, I go out, when go out of our place, some jungle, there is a big tiger. Baba Rama. So what do you want? I cannot get along with tiger. What do you want? Can you please make me a tiger? Jiva lalo se iti uti da. Krishnodar parayan, Krishna nahi pa. You want to play with Krishna? You come here and listen Krishna Katha. You go to the temple, see Krishna. Hare Krishna. Dun. Hey, run! Krishna is watching which seva you like more. Class seva or prasad seva. Which one?
कथा
I said both.
Prasad Seva.
Prasad seva. Which one preference?
Prasad Seva.
Right. Nice cake, rabri, ice cream, kulfi. Go to Prasad. Late, he will come late to Krishna. It is better late than never. Hare Krishna. So some are that path following, but one is renowned. Whatever Krishna did, Pantavat, dal bada, वो भी अच्छा है. जाओ जगन्नाथपुरी. Last day, yesterday, rice was not sold and got in soggy. Put in water. Pantavat. Next day, put jeera water, green chili, few other things, some masala, spice nice.
Only jeera
Adrak,
powder. Only jeera powder and adrak.
Only jeera powder and adrak. So one ISKCON devotee. No malpura, no chana bada. Gaja? No, I'll be late, early morning, no. What is this? Pantavat. Water. Many people taking 10 pies. Same pot. ये झूठा है. देख रहा. One is selling. देख रहा. Hey, you are a sadhu. Why didn't you take? No, you take free. झूठा है. अरे, take. Pantavat, nectar. वो भी समझ जाता. He can understand. He likes it. और भी चलेगा. लग बे. हाँ, लग बे. और हाँ. एक very tasty. Now this is not jiva lalasa. This simple thing anybody can get.
Sometimes Krishna sends very nice things.
Yes. What nice thing?
Many.
Many nice things. Chana gaja. Pura pita. Full of juice and cheese. And what? Kakra. What is kakra? Kakra pita. Very tasty. Who likes? Raise hand. I raise hand. I like.
You know? What's kakra?
Not crab. Moral ignorance. But you can go beyond that, prasad. Tata Rajasthan Kamalata Nastapasha Diktang Bhagavad Shiva. When you become free from this or desire for enjoyment, you're getting a higher taste. Even Pantavat, very happy.
In Jagannath temple inside, for sadhu like several clothes, they give free prasad for everyone.
Free prasad for everyone. But you put on saffron and go, then you know this guy is to a white cloth. Saffron, pakat! Chal! Panda leke jayega. Kambal dholai laga. सन्यासी बना है ब्रह्मचारी क्या तेरा बीवी है बीवी है पैसा दे क्या पैसा निकाल दिस इज ISKCON you are sannyasi you are Tyagi doesn't matter everybody can eat but you want to go back to Godhead you have to control your senses control